To download browser on Xiaomi Smart TV A series, first of all, you have to open applications. Now go for search, and over here you have to input browser phrase. There we go, and as you can see, we can find multiple browsers. So in my case, I'm gonna just get the first one that is on the left side, and now just go for the installation button. You have to just click OK and wait until it will be downloaded. Now, when the download is finished, we can just simply open that browser, and over here we have to, of course, accept everything, all of those permissions. And as you can see here at the top, we can just simply search for something. So if I want to enter, for example, for a specific website, I have to just open it and use a keyboard, or you can also use the voice typing. So you have to go back from this one, this selection, and go into this icon. And now let's say something. We have to grant permission for microphone, Real Madrid. Let's check if it was recognized. Okay, so first of all, until we start, using this, we have to accept all of those, permissions. And if you are wondering how you can navigate, then you have to use those buttons over here. And now, as you can see, we just find that phrase on our TV. So we can basically search for everything. And this is all for this video. Thanks for watching.